Hello guys, so we are back and today what we'll be doing is recording the 8th tutorial for BSE. Welcome to the 8th tutorial for BSE Stock Market Analysis using Python. So what we'll be doing now is we'll be predicting the forward sample data. As you have seen, I will just show you the data once. Where's the data? Forward. Yeah, this data basically I'll show you in a CSV folder. Nice CSV thing. This particular data. Oh, let it open, let it open. Alright, so this is taking a while. I know it is taking so long, mate. Open it already, yeah. I'm too impatient about some things. So yeah, we'll be predicting this column right here, the status column right here, and yeah, so we'll be doing that, and we don't need the accuracy right now. What we need, and so I'm doing a rerun of this tutorial because I had not apparently added this line of code. X is equal to pre-processing dot scale. What this does is it scales the input to a particular number between 0 to 1, and that's good. That's efficient for computational, like it saves so much of computational power. And yeah, so we'll be building on that, and now we require is what we require is we want to read df is equal to data df is equal to pd dot read csv forward dot csv. Then what we need to do is x is equal to np dot array. We have imported numpy here. I've seen here. Yeah, x is equal to np dot array data df features dot values. Yeah, then what we'll be doing is scaling that values. X is equal to pre-processing, the same line of code, paste it here. Then what we'll be doing is z is equal to data df the code values. We are saving all the codes, this column in a list z. Then what we'll be doing is for I in range, for I in range len of x, p is equal to clf dot predict xi dot reshape 1 minus 1 zeroth column. If p is equal to 1, which is the predicted value, then we append it into an invest list. We create an invest list first. A list, it's just a list. Dot append zi. We append the code. Then we return all the invest list. And what we have done is now we have the how much better to 5. We have set it to 5. Previously in the previous code we have set it to 10 or something, yet we're now setting it to 5 because we want some output. Yeah. So what we'll be doing is next is we'll be creating a final list. We are going to create some loops. Then we will, for x in range loops, stock list is equal to analysis. For e in stock list, final list dot append e. Yeah, this will happen 8 number of times. Counter final list. Then what we will be doing is final list, creating a final list. Then for each and x, this is counter. We have imported counter, as you can see from collections import counter. For each and x, f x of each is greater than loops minus, if it is a maximum number of loops, then we will append it to the final list. Then we'll print it out. And yeah, that's it. That's it for the code for now. Let's try it out. Okay, I have something under open. Alrighty. Python simple 2.py. Alright, there's some error. Invalid syntax. Why? Why, mate? Yeah, we'll be doing on the whole data set, so we don't need this. Yeah, so I don't know why. Why is there an error? Let's try it out again. Oh, alright, there's this colon there. I don't think we need that. You should get the output fast. I don't know why it's taking a long time. Oh no, why? Why, mate? Okay, we got the output, so that's it. So these are the 2 companies which we are likely to invest in among those 4 companies. And that is the conclusion of this awesome series. If you believe in Python and if you believe in programming, really stock market is a boon for you. And make sure you use these techniques if you want to. This technique, and add more data to this. Yeah, add more data here. Try to add more data here. Write some automating scripts, and you have like a super weapon to invest in stocks. Yeah, thanks.